Hi, now I want to share of how to log the variable in the Excel. However, as I mentioned in our previous lecture, before we can log the data, for example, for data like in currency, like in Ringgit Malaysia, this data is actually money supply, broad money supply. So before we can transfer the broad money supply into log data, firstly we have to wave out the impact of inflation by dividing the broad money supply data, the M3, with CPI. When we divide, so this is how we wave out the impact of inflation in currency data, in ringgit data. So the M3, see here, clear. So clear means that we already wave out the impact of inflation. So the formula is equal sum, put bracket, and click on the data, divide, and click on CPI and close and enter. Okay, so just put the cursor there and make sure the cursor shows plus, then you drag. So the data is ready for clear data for M3. Now we can log the data. For M3, there is log M3 underscore C. So to log the log M3, the formula is equal log, in bracket, click on the data and close and enter. So the data now is ready in log. Okay, so you just put the red frame, and now I show you how to log the REER data. This is how we log the REER data. Again, equal log, and in bracket, click on REER and close, enter. So now the data is ready, and just drag and put the proper frame. As you can see here, all the data are ready for any regression. So the data ready that you have to transfer into SPSS is only the one that I highlighted with yellow color. Only this data which is ready into log form, you can transfer into SPSS software. I hope this video can help you now to understand of how to log the data. And before you log the data, you have to make sure that all the data with RM, any currency, baht, peso, yeah, you have to wave out the impact of inflation into the data by divide the data with CPI. Yeah, this case is for Malaysia. So if your study is about Thailand, Philippines, Brunei, you have to find the CPI for Brunei accordingly to the country, and also the currency divided also according to the country. Okay, good luck. Bye.